Are you manifesting and wanting to know if it's on its way, if it's coming true for you? Well, these are the 3 signs that happen every single time. They'll let you know that your manifestation is on its way before it gets here. Okay, the first thing that happens is you get something that you kind of don't want. And let me tell you a story. I was manifesting the Chanel J12 watch. And the first thing I got was a fake one. And then I got a Rolex, which was a little bit closer, but not the J12. This happens every single time when you're manifesting something. And instead of me saying, oh my gosh, I got a fake Chanel J12, or yuck, who wants a Rolex? I mean, who would say that? But instead of saying that, I realized it was coming because the frequency I was putting out was watch, Chanel watch. And you see how it was kind of getting it? But I just had to keep tuning my vibration and clearing my vibration and visualizing clear that it was a Chanel J12. And the same thing happened when I was manifesting my husband. I was dating lots of people and it was definitely not Mr. Perfect. I was like, oh, but that helped me tune my vibration to what I wanted and what I didn't want. And I actually was able to sort and make that much clearer. So oftentimes when you're getting something, like when I was manifesting the husband, I was getting a man. That's what I wanted, just not the ideal man. Or the same with the watch. I was getting a watch, just not my manifestation watch. These are signs that it's coming. If you're getting something kind of like what you want, but not exactly what you want. And the trick is just to tune, just to visualize a little bit clearer, and be happy, be grateful, celebrate that it's on its way, not pout and complain and give up, because that will make it not happen. So the number one thing that it's on its way is you're getting something in the vicinity of it. The second thing that I've noticed that happened every single time when my manifestation was on its way was I would see it everywhere. I was manifesting a baby. I wanted a baby girl so bad, so bad, so bad. I would have parted heaven and earth to get her. And every single friend of mine was having a baby girl. Now, what's easy to happen when this happens? Hey, jealousy. Hey, jealousy. Right? It can easily pop up jealousy or resentment, or why is everybody getting what they want and not me? But I actually realized when I look back over every manifestation that happened, and if any have happened for you too, try this. Just try this exercise. See if you can remember it popping up. Your friends having more babies, in my example. Or if you're manifesting more money, like your friend gets a raise or a promotion or something like that. You will see when your manifestation is coming that you will see that other people around you are getting the same thing. Not necessarily people that you know, but it will come into your world. Well, you'll notice, hey, I see babies everywhere. That's a good sign that the manifestation is coming for you. So just, if that jealousy creeps in, just flip it on a switch and say, that is a sign that my manifestation is coming true. Okay, the third thing is you get these waves of gratefulness. Like you could just be sitting in the Starbucks line or something like that, and all of a sudden you feel uber grateful. Like not just a teeny bit, like almost like drenched in gratefulness. I found that these waves of gratefulness happen every time as my manifestations are coming. And actually, when I was lying on the couch relaxing for 10 seconds today, thinking about filming this video, I was feeling overwhelmingly grateful. So you know what that means for me? That my manifestation of my YouTube channel growing and sprouting and springing is coming true. And this will happen for you too. So if you are a Mary manifestor and you've noticed any other things that keep reoccurring in all your manifestations, pop them in the comments below, because people who love manifestation and law of attraction would love to read them as much as me. So if you like this video, guys, give it a big smashing thumbs up. I appreciate you. I adore you. And until next time, ciao, Earthlings.